In this lecture, we will discuss about the 9 regions of the abdomen. The abdomen is divided into 9 regions, by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical planes. These are used to identify and describe the location of abdominal organs. It helps in diagnosing and localizing clinical conditions. What are the dividing planes of the abdomen? The 2 horizontal planes that divide the abdomen are subcostal plane. It passes through the inferior border of the 10th costal cartilage. Transtubercular plane. It passes through the iliac tubercles at the level of L5. The 2 vertical planes that divide the abdomen are midclavicular lines. They extend from the midpoints of the clavicles down to the mid-inguinal points. Now we will discuss the 9 regions of the abdomen. The abdomen is divided into 3 rows. Upper row consists of right hypochondriac region, epigastric region, left hypochondriac region. Middle row consists of right lumbar region, umbilical region, left lumbar region. Lower row consists of right iliac region, hypogastric region, left iliac region. We will discuss them one by one. Number 1. Right hypochondriac region. It is located below the right costal margin. It consists of livers, right lobe, gallbladder, right kidney, and hepatic flexure of the colon. It is common site for gallstones, liver abscesses, and hepatic pathologies. Number 2. Epigastric region. It is located between the right and left hypochondriac regions, above the subcostal plane. It consists of stomach, pancreas, liver, left lobe, duodenum, and adrenal glands. It is common site for peptic ulcers, gastritis, and pancreatitis. Number 3. Left hypochondriac region. It is located below the left costal margin. It consists of spleen, stomach, pancreas, tail, left kidney, and splenic flexure of the colon. It is common site for splenomegaly and rib fractures affecting underlying organs. Number 4. Right lumbar region. It is located lateral to the umbilical region, below the right hypochondriac region. It consists of ascending colon, right kidney, and small intestine. It is associated with conditions like renal colic, ureteric stones, and colitis. Number 5. Umbilical region. It is located in the center of the abdomen, at the level of the umbilicus. It consists of small intestine, jejunum and ileum, transverse colon, and abdominal aorta. It is common site for abdominal aortic aneurysms and umbilical hernias. Number 6. Left lumbar region. It is located lateral to the umbilical region, below the left hypochondriac region. It consists of descending colon, left kidney, and small intestine. It is associated with diverticulitis and renal pathology. Number 7. Right iliac region. It is located in the lower right corner of the abdomen, above the right inguinal ligament. It consists of appendix, cecum, right ovary, and fallopian tubes. In females, it is common site for appendicitis and ovarian cysts. Number 8. Hypogastric region, also known as suprapubic region. It is located below the umbilical region, above the pubic symphysis. It consists of bladder, uterus, in females, rectum, and sigmoid colon. It is common site for urinary tract infections, bladder distension, and uterine pathologies. Number 9. Left iliac region. It is located lower left corner of the abdomen, above the left inguinal ligament. It consists of sigmoid colon, left ovary, and fallopian tube. In females, it is associated with diverticulitis and gynecological conditions. Now this is a summary table of regions, and organs in each regions.